please don't look at this pullback as something where, oh my God, crypto is not a credible platform. When you look at things, come on, we have major investment companies with big balance sheets that are now major players in the crypto space. So, hey, the retail market, this is a prime opportunity for people, if you're interested, not financial advice, to become crypto millionaires.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Two Crypto News. Today, we're going to be going over some important crypto news for you for this week. But first, please make sure that you are liking and subscribing to stay up to date on all Two Crypto News. Now, let's get started.
So the total crypto market cap is 2.4 trillion and we're up 2.37% today. We are 30 days from the Bitcoin halving, and based on the fear and greed index, we're at greed. We were at extreme greed, but as you know, the market took a correction and we're at greed at 74.
Yeah, and then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin is currently sitting at $63,610.97. We are currently up 0.59% on the day, but as far as the whole entire 7 days from when we last talked to you guys last week, we are down 11.8% because we were sitting at about 74,000 and now we're at 63,000. So we did, like we said before, lose a little bit in price, but we are just going through a market correction. I really do think that the institutional investors are pushing price down so they can get in at these bottom line prices before the halving. Because once that thing takes off, then those buying opportunities disappear and we're just sitting on our hands waiting to take profit at that point. So the next thing that we're going to go over today is the crypto bubbles.
As you see, we're seeing a lot of recovery from the correction we had over the course of the last couple of days. Doge is up 3.2%. KCS is up 10.8%. That's good. We have Pepe, which is a meme coin, up 11.5%. What I'm finding is that throughout the day, what's happening is when price goes down, people are buying, it pushes the price up. And then for other coins, price will go down, people will start buying, which pushes the price up. So you might see Stark at 10.1% today, but later on today or tomorrow, you may see that in the red because people are buying and then selling and then taking profit all throughout this time period that we're in up to the halving.
So let's jump into a little bit of crypto news this week. We're going to go into the most innovative blockchain, crypto, metaverse, and Web3 companies of 2024. We have Roblox for helping the metaverse through its adolescence. We have Securitize for digitizing and democratizing private markets. Coinbase for not hibernating during crypto winter, which is always good. And I don't know if y'all are keeping track of the stock market, but Coinbase, if you bought during the bear market, kudos to you, my friend. Yes. Visa for riding the digital payments rails. Chainalysis for fishing out the bad apples of crypto. And Polygon Lab for easing corporate America onto the blockchain.
Right. And when you come out with these lists, can you scroll back up to the title of the most innovative of 2024? Of course, you can do your deep dive and figure out whether or not you would want to invest in any of these companies, right? Because you would see that if they're innovative, they're moving, they're active, thus that should indicate some price movement as well.
Next, we're going to be talking about Cardano, and I'll let you take it away.
Yes, so Cardano has its first fiat-backed stablecoin, and it's called USDM. It was launched this week on the 18th, and we're all excited. We all know what having a stablecoin means to a blockchain. With crypto being so volatile, it's good to sit your money in a stablecoin so that you can utilize it to move money back and forth, and the fact that it's back to the US dollar makes it also great. So kudos to Cardano for having its first fiat-backed stablecoin. And that's great. We're looking to see even more news coming out on this as we know that they get stable on the platform.
Right, and for those of you guys who don't know what a stablecoin is a coin that no matter what is going on in the market, it's supposed to be stabilized at $1. Sometimes it goes to 99 cents, sometimes it goes to $1.01, but it usually hovers around that $1 mark no matter what the market's doing, whether the market's up, whether the market's down. And this is really good for cryptocurrency because it allows people to say, okay, it doesn't matter if Bitcoin goes to 18,000, my money is still inside of a blockchain that is stable. All right, guys, so last but not least, Bitcoin flash crashed to 8.9K on BitMEX. So last but not least, Bitcoin flash crashed to about 8.9K on BitMEX. And now this was due to large sell orders worth 55.49 million that drove Bitcoin's price on their particular exchange down to 8,900 on BitMEX. The overnight crash was short-lived, but if you had any buyer orders around the 8,900 mark or up, in between there, you could have potentially bought some Bitcoin for a very cheap price. Now, I do know that this happened recently. I can't put a date on it, but basically it's one of those moments where if you are the type of person who has money, and you're able to put in buy orders on every single exchange at different prices just in case something like this happens, you could have potentially came up on a large payday within a matter of seconds, minutes, whatever the case may be. So this is something that's happening. BitMEX does say that funds are secure, and it did happen over a brief period of time, and they have everything under control and funds are safe. So they don't want anybody to panic and make it seem like things are crashing just because of no reason. There was a huge sell and they are investigating it. But this is something that is interesting that happens inside of the crypto space. So for me, once I become a crypto millionaire, I will be having some money set aside on different exchanges at different price points for Bitcoin, just in case you get an extreme dip like that, so it can catch my order at $8,000 and I can become overnight a Bitcoin holder.
And you could have turned right around and sold it and got a profit of like 40 something to $50,000.
$1,000. And I would have put that into altcoins. All right, so that's about it. Is there anything else you want to talk about?
I just want to say really quickly, don't be fearful when you have corrections in cryptocurrency. Those are buying opportunities. This is not financial advice, but that is the time that I take to do research and figure out, is there any new projects that I'm interested in, or is it a coin that I want to DCA is continuously buying, but just add a little bit more to what I've already have in terms of an investment. So please don't look at this pullback as something where, oh my God, crypto is not a credible platform. When you look at things, come on, we have major investment companies with big balance sheets that are now major players in the crypto space. So, hey, the retail market, this is a prime opportunity for people, if you're interested, not financial advice, to become crypto millionaires. You do your research, you look to see a price that is a good price point for you, put your money in it, and look at the gains. Take profit, and then move on. So this is a time where people can get in the very early stages of crypto and blockchain technology. And so that's one of the reasons why we do this. That's one of the reasons why we take our time and make videos like this, is so that people can, like you and I, can take an opportunity to invest and become what Amir has on his backdrop, which is a crypto millionaire. Yeah. So we're stacking our bags. We're packing our bags. Are you?
I am. So thank you guys so much for joining us once again for another episode of 2 Crypto News. Please make sure that you are liking and sharing with family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing is very important. It helps push us through the algorithm so that more people can become crypto millionaires. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of 2 Crypto News, and we are out. Peace.
Peace.